Mask production. Mask production. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all miss me because I've missed you and it's been so long, and I apologize for that, but I am back and I'm better, and I hope you all are ready to watch this tutorial that I created for you guys. If you are, please stay tuned, but don't forget to subscribe to my video, comment down below, thumbs this video up, and share it with your friends and family. And we're gonna go ahead and get right into this look now because I don't want to keep you all waiting. I'm going to be starting off with moisturizing my skin. I'm going to be using the Clinique Dramatically Different lotion to hydrate my skin. It's been a little bit drier lately, and so I'm going to use this one today because I just said it, but and surprise, surprise, I forgot to do my brows offline. So I said offline, y'all, off camera. So I'm going to be doing maybe a snippet of me doing my brows, but I don't want it to get too lengthy because it tends to get lengthy. And yep, and I actually arched them for y'all because sometimes I be coming out here looking raggedy daggedy, and I'm not trying to do that today. So the brow pencil that I'm going to be using is the ColourPop Brow Boss, and it is in dark brown. So I was trying to do a lighter feel on my brows, but they went a little bit darker than expected once I carved them out, but it's fine. I carved them out with the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer in medium, and I actually primed my lid with that as well because I'm going to go into my eyeshadow, which, let me show you what I'm using. I am going to be using the Morphe 15, I'm dyslexic. I'm going to be using the Morphe 351 palette, Icy Fantasies. I've had this palette for quite some time now, but I have not done a video on it. Actually, scratch that, I did a video on it, but I just did not post it. But this one is going to get posted, guys, and I'm hoping that it turns out to be really, really pretty. I don't want to do something too over the top, but I definitely want something to be cute because I'm going to be filming some more videos today for you guys, and I want to look decent on these videos. So let's see what I create. So I'm going to first be going into this shade right here. Of course they don't have any names, but it's a pastel blue color. I'm going to be putting it in the inner half of my crease. Okay, so I did switch brushes to a more stiffer brush to pack that color in because it wasn't going in as much as I expected it, and then I blended it out with the blending brush, and I like the way it turned out. But I have some more ideas for this look, and I know I said it was going to be I don't know if I even said it was going to be a pastel look, but I got another idea, so just bear with me, stick with me, because I am definitely creating this as I go. The next color that I'm going to be going into is going to be this purple color right here. I think that it's really freaking pretty, and I want to lay that right next to that blue color. Y'all, my back is itching. I'm so unprofessional, but I want to lay that on my next to the blue color on my lid. Okay, y'all, so I want to deepen up my crease. I thought I was going to leave it like pastel-y and whatever, but I'm going to deepen it up. I'm going to go into the James Charles palette. This is the mini one, and I'm going to take, how deep do I want this to go? It's a question. I'm gonna go deep. We're gonna go on this right here. that blue right there. And I'm gonna be using the same brush, but of course wiping it off. My hand is so ashy. Y'all give me a second. Let me put some lotion on my hand because I refuse to be on this camera looking a hot mess. Hold on. I'm gonna go into this purple right here, guys. Yes, I am. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna go with 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 it. Y'all, please let me know. Should I add black to this to deepen it up a little bit? Like I could put it on the blending brush and blend it out. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette again and go in that black. Y'all, am I making a bad decision? What's that? Am I making a bad decision, y'all? We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen it up some with the black. I'm just gonna go in just like a little bit like this. Ooh, guys, tap it out. Cause I kind of want it to be deeper. Yeah, you see how that deepened it up? Like look good, like look good. Ooh. Yeah, like that. Like that, like that. Yes. Let's deepen her. Do what you gotta do. Okay, now what we want to do is go back in with that same blue and that same purple and add it on top of the black so it won't look so black. Just look like deeper shades of that color. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cut my crease. I was considering doing a full cut crease, but now I'm changing her up. I'm so nosy. Now I'm going to change her up into a half cut crease. So I'm going to do that with that line smoothing concealer that I showed you guys that I use, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so what I did was go back in with that black and purple and mix that onto the outer third of my, well, almost outer half of my lid, because I didn't want to do too much with this look and put too many colors on there, but I really can't figure out what color I want to put on that lid space. I'm contemplating on doing like a silver color. Ooh, what is this? Hold up, let me test this out. Let me test it out, honey. Look at this glitter, y'all. Ooh, look at this glitter. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do this glitter, y'all, because she came out of nowhere and I'm feeling her. So we're gonna do this glitter. And then I think I have a black liner, and I don't even know why I did not put liner on before I did the glitter, but she's done, so we're gonna figure it out, work it out. So I applied lashes, which you probably cannot tell that I did, because the only ones that I could find were Ardell little itty bitty wispies. So I'm gonna have to order some more lashes, but right now these are gonna have to do with this glue sticking out. I'm gonna fix it in a second. I'm just letting it dry. So when it dries, I'm going to apply some mascara to them. I don't normally apply mascara to dang, I don't normally apply mascara to my false lashes, but today it's going to have to be an exception because this is not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. So before I get into that, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. Yeah, so this is a random story time, not really for real, but yesterday me and my wife went to the store, and when we got back home and we were trying to get the stuff out the trunk, this bug, it was like those bugs. See, I'm fucking paranoid. Oh my god, that just scared me, y'all. It got me cursing. Woo! Anyways, I'm just gonna help me, Jesus. So anyways, when I got the car to help her get the stuff out the trunk, this bug, they were like attached to each other, just flying together, like just make my flesh crawl. And so I'm like, like leave me alone, leave me alone. And so Bria was like, I don't even remember what she said, but I'm like, girl, I gotta go. Like, I don't do bugs. I don't do bugs. And so everywhere I went, so I run to the other side of the car, there go the bug. I'm upstairs, like I'm going up the steps, the bug's going up the step with me. Like I'm just trying to figure out what I got on me that's attracting this bug. So I'm just like, oh my God. So I'm telling Bria like, this bug is freaking following me. And she's like, I don't know if she told me that it wasn't following me or if she was just like getting the house. So I get in the house, I'm like, safe and sound. So today, I'm freaking going to get my makeup wipes out my other room, out my bedroom. And I see something, you know, I ain't got my glasses on, so I'm like, am I being paranoid? Like, am I seeing things? Like, what is up? Like, what am I seeing? So, I'm trying to shut recorder. So, I get close to the door. The freaking bug is in the house, y'all. The same bug that's been following me is in the house. Him and his wife, or whoever, they just attached to each other, they're in the house. So he see me, he like, ooh, girl, you see me? And I'm like, yes, I see you, because you're not supposed to be in here. That's a white door, you're black. Why are you in here? Like, I see you. So I go and I get the raid, and he no longer exists. But I thought his spirit was haunting me when that just fell, because I just don't understand, like, no ma'am. How did that bug get in my house, y'all? How did that bug get in my house? Because I made sure he flew. I don't, something ain't, 2 + 2 ain't equal 4 right now. Like, he was outside, y'all. He was outside when I closed the door. So now he's in the house. Bria probably let him in. She probably said, come on in and scare Sharie. That's what it was. Because I don't even understand how that bug got in my house. So I had to kill him, y'all. So to y'all bug lovers, I had to kill him. I had to. So I put my Wedding Wild primer on, but I'm gonna put a little bit more back on since I used that makeup wipe to remove that glitter from my face. I'm gonna put it right up in here because that's where I removed it. Yup. Okay. And look at that, some more glitter coming back on my face. So we ain't gonna worry about it. We ain't gonna worry about it. We just gonna sparkle today. That's what it is. Yep, we're gonna sparkle. So I should have put something on my lips because they dry, but we're gonna move on. We're gonna move forward in life. I'm going to use the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. It is in tan. I've had this for a minute too, and I have not used it. This is gonna be my first time using it because it was a little bit too dark for me. So I'm hoping now that your girl is tan and caramel that it'll match. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh, this baby, your girl caramel, period. I probably don't even need this much. I haven't even used this before to even know how much I need. And you know, guys, this is a matte foundation. I don't typically do matte, so I am gonna definitely probably, I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so this is what my foundation is looking like right now, you guys. My forehead, of course, is always gonna be darker than my skin complexion, so I had to blend it up into my hairline because my forehead just, it's not mine, apparently. It's not my forehead, it's its own forehead. So it do what it want to do. But that was that. I like the coverage of it. It's not too full. It says it's full coverage, but it's not too full for me. I'm gonna definitely try to find one of my hydrating setting sprays because of course you know your girl is on something different and she like moisturizing. Because I used to wear like a lot of mattes when I was younger, but for why? Because your girl ain't even oily. Like she's on oily, but now I think I got that under control. So really I just be wanting to look hydrated and dewy and like skin like finish. So typically I be wearing my tinted moisturizer, but I wanted to bring something different to this video, so I used this. So why not? Now my nose is itching, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I used I used the Tint It All Ultra concealer in 220. I don't even know if they still carry it. They may or may not. Maybe it's not the color, or maybe so. I don't know. I have not checked the inventory. But I'm going to be going into the Beauty Bakery setting powder, and it is in Oat translucent, and I'm going to be setting where I put that concealer. Anyway, so as far as bronzer, I'm going to be going, yeah, my nose itching. I do not miss this. I'm going to be using the Fenty bronzer in Shady Biz. Okay, y'all, so my camera died and I didn't charge it up that much because I wanted to get this video done because I have a few more videos that I need to film today. And so yeah, let's finish this up. I went ahead and applied my blush off camera, which is the Aglow blush from Clinique, which is what I typically use because I love it so much and it's almost gone, so I'm gonna have to find something else that I like, but I'm gonna finish it off. Then I use the Inglot sparkling dust for my highlight. She is popping. And now oh, one more thing, what else did I use? I used where is the other one? Okay, I used a combination of mascara. So I used the Finicils from Lancome and the Lash Princess from Essence to try to lengthen up these lashes a little bit longer, and I'm okay with them right now. I'm just gonna have to deal with them, and I'm gonna order me some more lashes. And okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to finish off my eye. So I'm gonna go back into that James Charles palette, and the same colors that I used on top, I'm going to use on bottom. So the purple and the blue, I'm going to take that across the bottom, and I also may incorporate some black. I don't know yet, but we're going to see as time goes. But before I get into that, I know I keep on switching. I want to use this black right here to go underneath my waterline. And I may actually go on the bottom just to darken it up so I don't have to apply the black shadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go above the waterline, and then I'm gonna go underneath as well with this black liner first. This is the Lancome Black Ebony liner. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I added that to the bottom, and I'm gonna leave it alone before I do too much. I'm gonna take my, I'm making a mess. I'm going to take my Lash Princess mascara again and go on the bottom lashes with that so we can look good. Yeah, I want to use this. Let's see if I can get some out. This is the Lancome Ideal liner. I hope I can get some out of there. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Inglot lip pencil. It is in number 27. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I really didn't want this pink. Y'all, didn't mean to go this pink. I really didn't. Where we going with it? We're going with it. Okay. And now to end this off, I'm gonna take my Lancome Rosy Plump Lip Plumper glossing thingy and put that on top of it. And now I'm going to set my face with the Lancome Fix It and Forget It setting spray. This is new, so I gotta spray it. And you may say that I went overboard, but I say that this foundation is dry. And I don't know about if I like this no more. So I'm gonna let that dry. And while that's dry, let me go ahead and let you guys know that make sure y'all get my face. That is going to conclude this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all are ready to see more content from me, because I am definitely ready to bring it all to you. I definitely like how this look turned out. Please comment down below if you enjoyed this look, as well as what you would like to see from my channel, because I'm coming with some hits for you guys, okay? So please comment down below, thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel. That's my phone. Subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and family to subscribe to my channel as well, because you don't want to miss out from your girl. And please just tune in for my next video.